Hello students, how are you? I hope you are safe and fine at your home. Today we are going to start chapter 3 from NCERT book How Many Square for class 5. Our first topic from this chapter is what is perimeter. The word peri in Greek means around, the meter means measures. Therefore, perimeter means the measuring around a figure. Remember, we can find the perimeter of a closed figure. Friends, you are remember that in our previous class we studied about the closed and open figure. Let's take an example. Look at the figure I have drawn. If we start move along R to P to Q and then R, finally we reach at the starting point R. Only close figure is this possible. Thus, the perimeter of this figure is PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, QR is equal to 4 centimeter, RP is equal to 5 centimeter. So, perimeter of this figure is equal to PQ plus QR plus RP is equal to 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. Let's take another example. Look at the figure I have drawn A, B, C, D. Here, if we start A from B to C and D, we cannot come back at A. So, we cannot find its perimeter because it is an open figure. Perimeter of a square. Look at the figure I have drawn. Square is a closed figure in which all the sides are equal and all angles are right angle. Perimeter of a square is equal to sum of all its sides. A plus A plus A plus A is equal to 4A. So, perimeter of a square is equal to 4A. A is the length of its side. Let's take an example. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 5 centimeter. Solution. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So 4 into 5 centimeter. 4 5 is 20 is equal to 20 centimeter. So perimeter of this square is 20 centimeter. Next example. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 40 centimeter. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So 4 into side is equal to 40 meter. Side is equal to 40 divided by 4. So 4 1 ja 4 and 4 10 ja 40. So side of square is equal to 10 centimeter. Next is perimeter of rectangle. Look at the figure drawn. What is this? This is a rectangle. A rectangle is a closed figure that has equal opposite sides and each angle is 90 degree. Longer side of rectangle is known as its length and shorter side is known as breadth of rectangle. So the perimeter of rectangle is equal to L plus B plus B. Here 2L and 2B, so 2 into L plus B. L for length and B for breadth. Let's do an example. Find the perimeter of rectangle of sides 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Solution. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus B. So 2 in bracket 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 into 8. 8 to the 16. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 16 centimeter. Now perimeter of triangle. Look at the figure I have drawn. A triangle ABC. नहीं हो रहा है. इसको क्लोज कर दो ना. Now perimeter of triangle. Look at the figure I have drawn. Triangle ABC. Triangle is a flat figure. It has 3 straight sides and 3 angles. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all 3 sides. Let's do an example. Find the perimeter of triangle having sides 6 cm, 5 cm and 4 cm respectively. Here the triangle whose sides are 6 cm, 5 cm and 4 cm. So perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all 3 sides. So 6 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeter. So the perimeter of triangle is equal to. Next topic for this chapter is area. So first question is, what is area? Area is amount of surface that a figure covers. Area is measured in square units. Area can be expressed in square units such as centimeter into centimeter is equal to square centimeter, meter into meter is equal to square meter, and kilometer is equal to kilometer into kilometer is equal to square kilometer. Methods to find the area. There are two methods to find the area. First one is the by dividing the region into unit square and thereafter counting the unit square. And second is the by using formula. Now look at the figure A, B, C, D. It is divided into many unit square. Unit square. Each square is a 1 unit square. Let's count the unit square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, area of this figure is 15 square centimeter. Next example. Let's find the area of the figure in square centimeter. First, look at the figure. It has some square unit and some half square unit. So area of this given figure is equal to, let's count first a full square, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 full square and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half square. Each square is 1 square centimeter and half square is equal to half square centimeter. So the given figure has 4 complete square and 4 half square. So area of this figure is equal to 4 plus half plus half plus half plus half is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Here half plus half is equal to 1 and half plus half is equal to 1. So area of given figure is equal to 6 square centimeter. While the finding of area of plane figure by the counting unit square, remember some rule. We ignore or do not count the square that are less than half. And next is the if square is more than half, we count the area as 1 square unit. Let's see how we find area by using formula. First, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle can be found by the using the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Here L is equal to length and B is equal to breadth. So let's take an example. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5 cm and breadth is 3 cm. Solution. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So area is equal to 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter. 5 3 is 15. So area of rectangle is equal to 15 square centimeter. Let's do another example. Find the breadth of rectangle whose area is 30 square centimeter and length is 6 centimeter. Here we find out the breadth of rectangle. So, solution. Area of rectangle is 30 square centimeter. L is equal to 6 centimeter and B is equal to question mark. Area of rectangle is equal to A L into B. So, 30 square centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter and B. 30 square centimeter divided by 6 centimeter is equal to B. So we divided by 30 divided by 6. So we find the answer B is equal to 5 centimeter. So breadth of this rectangle is 5 centimeter. Area of square. Area of square can be found using formula. Area of square is equal to side into side. Area for A and side for S. So A is equal to S into S. S is equal to length of side. Let's take example. The side of square garden is 30 centimeter. Find its area. Side of square is equal to 30 centimeter. Area of square is equal to S into S. So 30 centimeter into 30 centimeter is equal to 900 square centimeter. So area of square garden is 900 square centimeter. So students, today's our topic is complete. I hope you understand in my class. So, and thank you.